Very good morning, guys. Warm welcome to the best lectures of FMSM and Audit nationwide. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Yes, guys, today we are going to revise very small chapter of audit, but a good chapter, half an hour chapter, audit documentation. Brilliant revision we will do. What you can expect? Number one, excellent conceptual clarity of all the concepts, plus whichever questions can come in exam, you have to learn them. Okay, you will be able to learn in the lecture itself. So be rest assured, enjoy the best revision of chapter number 6, and do like the video and share with your friends too. Thank you. Very good morning, guys. Warm welcome to the best lectures of FMSM and Audit nationwide. We have till now finished 9 chapters. We are left with the last 2 chapters. The big chapter, the chapter which covers almost, I think, 20-25 marks, if not more. Okay, of course, 25, 12 to 15 marks is the last chapter, and this is also of 8 to 10 marks. Okay, so total 20-25 marks. Many students, they just get 35 and don't get 45. The difference is these two chapters. Many students get 55 and don't get 65. The difference is these two chapters. Many students get 59 but don't get 60. The difference is these two chapters. The two most ignored chapters we are going to start today. Okay, that's chapter number 9. Of course, we'll finish only this today and then move on to chapter number 5, which is a high ticket, high weightage, 12 to 15 marks chapter. This is still 8 to 10 marks chapter, but that is a short 12 to 15 marks. Okay, so I think most important is to do these chapters as well. You have already cleared if you have seen all lectures till now, but to get that edge, to get little more, so you don't fail in aggregate, these chapters are must. Don't even think of skipping these chapters. Last time we had a brilliant question, time pass question of 6 marks on government audit. If only revision lecture also you saw, still you would have easily answered. Without wasting any time, let's start right away. Okay, what is the weightage of chapter? How does chapter look like? Let me explain briefly for 2 minutes and then we start. Okay, come here everyone. What is this chapter all about? It is a 8 to 10 mark chapter. Ideally we should finish before the break, but still if you have little load, we take a break and come back for 15-20 minutes. Okay, listen nicely now. Here, see, our main audit is done, so that is not a headache. Okay, you don't have to understand anything, nothing brain required. Main audit is done. Here we will audit different entities. Your next question, what is different entity? Government audit, cooperative society. How to audit them? How to audit government of India? Is Narendra Modi working properly? Are you clear? Is your state government Stalin working properly? Okay, is this Bangalore government, Karnataka government working properly or not? That we have to audit. Oh, that also, yes, CA will audit everything. Okay, they say no, in God we trust, rest all others we audit. So only trust God, do audit everything else. Second, after government audit, we will audit cooperative society. From here, one question will come. This chapter has 2 questions. Okay, so one is government audit or cooperative society. Either of the two, one question will come, which we will end in exactly 30-40 minutes. Okay, moving on. That is only 3 charts. So out of 3 charts, one question should come. Moving on. After that, we have all chiller, hotel, hospital, leasing company, and whatnot, NGO, okay, charitable, all combined together. There are 8-10. Out of that, one question will come. So I hope you understood how chapter looks like, how weightage looks like. Okay, so of course, government and cooperative society we will do in detail. Rest we will give you an idea how to read. Okay, till the time you are tired, we will keep on revising. But you say, sir, understood, all are same only. Then we will leave. I hope you understood. Now we will not waste any time. Let's directly stick to the concept. Government audit and cooperative society we will study in detail. High chance that no chance is there. See, it's been 3-4 attempts of new syllabus. last attempt government came. Before that, two consecutive attempts cooperative society came. So anything and everything can come. I hope it is clear. Yes, sir. Let's start. Can you start teaching now? Nothing you have taught till now. Yes, sir. Come here. Government audit. We are not auditing government company first of all. Take a break and understand. We are not auditing SAIL, BAIL, BPCL, HPCL. No. We are auditing government of India. Now many people will ask question, who is government of India? These people. Is Narendra Modi just going to Italy and enjoying that with his they say so-called what girl? I don't know the name. Okay, Melinda, whatever. Okay, Amit Shah is working properly or not? Is Gadkari Saab just making roads just like that or not? Smriti Irani to out. She is right now doing Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi. Okay, we have Jai Shankar. Then we have this Jai Shankar, foreign minister. This is Ravi Shankar. Are you clear? All these people are using the funds properly. We will audit them. We will go to their office and check in detail. Okay, come here now. Now, who is going to audit them? CNAG. But joke of the day you will enjoy today. What is CNAG first of all? Comptroller and Auditor General of India. He is a person, Mr. Rajiv, keeps on changing. Okay, as of now, I think it's Rajiv. Okay, Comptroller and Auditor General of India will audit. Now, look at the irony and you will be shocked. Tell me, who appoints CNAG? President of India. Who will appoint President? Government. So listen now. Government will appoint president. President will appoint CNAG. That same CNAG will audit government. It is like me auditing my father. Our hotel is there, I only audit. Tell me, will I find any fraud? Of course not. I want to stay in house or not. Are you clear? So understand. First of all, government appoints, they say, I don't know whether true or not. They say the person who doesn't take authoritative decision, who listens to government, who is fully under government control, he is the president. And president will select a person who is fully in his control as CNAG. So CNAG will only find frauds of opposition party if wherever their government is there. Wherever ruling party government is there, fraud never comes out. Why? Because who appointed you? President. Whose president appointed? Same. I hope you understood. But forget, we are not into politics. Concentrate. Sir, in government, what to audit? Will we go Narendra Modi's home? No. There are three audits in government. Audit of expenditure, audit of receipt, audit of store and stock. What is receipt? Whether government is receiving money properly or not. Okay. Whatever money should be received, are they receiving taxes? Second, audit of expenditure is detailed. It comes in exam. All expenditure incurred properly. Store and stock means whatever stock government has, the prices are reasonable. Extra stock is not kept. Okay, government does have stock, road, railway, highway, they build. No, that is why. Okay. Now, I don't want to make you understand that. I want to make you understand this. Most important, listener. In government, there are three governments: central, state, union, territory. Okay. So, what does CNAG do? CNAG will compile the accounts, and central government accounts are known as CFI, Consolidated Fund of India. One more time, please speak. Consolidated Fund of India. State government account are Consolidated Fund of State. Union Territory account are CFUT, Consolidated Fund of Union Territory. Now, they will report to whom? CNAG will not, of course, will audit. He will compile the accounts and report to central government accounts. He will report to president. State government, he will report to governor of that state. Union territory, he will report to administrator. So these are basic things. One last time, I want to explain two words and then go ahead. We are not auditing government companies, SAIL, BAIL, BPCL, HPCL. No, 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 no. We are auditing government of India. Okay, central government accounts are prepared in Consolidated Fund of India. That's the fund from where every expenditure is incurred. CNAG will compile accounts and send report to president. State government accounts is Consolidated Fund of State, and report will be sent to administrator. Union territory is Consolidated Fund of Union Territory, and report will be sent to administrator. One last time, who is CNAG? CNAG is not any organization. He is a person, Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Who appoints CNAG in India? President. Who appoints president? Ruling party. The central government will appoint person who will listen to them as president. President will appoint person who will listen to them as CNAG, and that same CNAG will audit government. Let us start now. I hope you understood. Now everything is super simple. Start. In India, government audit is done by CNAG through Agency of Indian Audit and Accounts Department. Very good. Who will appoint CNAG? President of India. Very good. Sir, when he will resign? These all questions don't come on ground of proven misbehavior or incapacity. Now you will ask me, what is proven misbehavior? If by mistake he is doing some fraud, okay, or he is getting influenced by the government, at that time we can remove him. Who can remove? When each house of parliament, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, vote with 2/3 of the member present and voting, they can remove that CNA. But sir, if he is doing fraud, good for government, no, he will not find out fraud. What is written in book, I am explaining that. Okay, he can be removed when both House of Parliament present and voting for 2/3 of the member present and voting. Second, incapacity. When will it become incapacity? 6 years or 65 years? Are you clear? So maximum he can stay for 6 years. But if you become 65, then go early. Why? Because after 65, the brain doesn't work. So Narendra Modi 75, his brain works. Okay, Prime Minister brain works, but the person who audits Prime Minister brain doesn't work. What is this? No problem, but just explaining. He will be paid salary equal to judge of Supreme Court. You have your next question. Oh, so much high salary. Why? So he is not influenced. If tomorrow I will pay money, 1 crore I am paying, don't show our fraud, Government of India fraud. No, I am getting enough salary so I can remain independent. From here, any chance? I don't think so, but still, once we will read. On ground of proven misbehavior or incapacity. Can you explain what is proven misbehavior? Anything, okay? When two houses of parliament, more than 2/3 member present and voting, vote, we can remove. Incapacity means what? 6 years or 65 years, whichever is early. First question. Duty of CNAG. Definitely it can come. Definitely. Okay. Let us go little slow and duty of CNAG. Number one duty is compile the accounts and subsidiary accounts and report to. See, they will not prepare the accounts. Listen. They will compile. Compile means what? Summary. Are you clear? Tell me, I have prepared this book or compiled? Compiled. Inside this, many people feel, or your ICAI language is there. Of course. Do you think I am so intelligent that I have my own language? Of course not. We have just compiled this magic book. Many people keep asking, or very much brain applied, your own language. Own language, I don't know. This much then I would be an ICAI chairman. Are you clear? Understood? Compile. So CNAG will compile the accounts and subsidiary accounts and report to. Central government account is known as Consolidated Fund of India. Report is sent to President. Central state government account is known as Consolidated Fund of the State and report is sent to whom? Governor. Union Territory accounts is known as Consolidated Fund of Union Territory and the report goes to Administrator. Can you tell one Union Territory? Are Delhi, Chandigarh, are you clear? Leh, Ladakh, all these are Union Territory. Understood, sir. Second duty. Audit of receipt. What is receipt? Whatever taxes should be collected are collected. There is no double refund. Are you clear? Tell me third point. Okay, the method of collection, the controls are proper. Third, audit of expenditure. This we will learn in detail. Don't worry. Okay. Audit of all expenditure from CFI, CFS, CFUT. Now I will never ever speak full form. What is CFI? Consolidated Fund of India, Consolidated Fund of State, Consolidated Fund of Union Territory. Audit of store and stock. These are three famous audit. What is store and stock? See that stock which is acquired by government is acquired at reasonable price. Second point, whether the quantity of stock is reasonable. Third, compare the stock with last year we had this much stock. Why this year we have so much stock? Okay, inquire into cases of abnormal loss, normal loss. Next, audit of, till now three are there. Very easy to learn. Remember, we have only three audits in syllabus. Usually they ask from audit of expenditure. Receipt and store and stock you read once. One last time. One, two, three. Three big audits are there. Audit of receipt, audit of expenditure, audit of store and stock. One more time. Audit of receipt, audit of expenditure, audit of store and stock. Will you remember? Yes, sir. Lifetime. Moving on. Third, audit of receipt and expenditure of any authority that is substantially financed from CFI, CFS, CFUT. Earlier, these two conditions were not written. Then I felt you will not read main book also. You are so lazy. So I included two conditions. One last time. Audit of receipt and expenditure of any authority which is substantially financed from CFI, CFS, CFUT. Now you will say, which authority is substantially financed? Two conditions. Amount of the grant to that authority is more than 25 lakh. So if I have given grant to any authority, municipal corporation 50 lakh, 42 lakh, 30 lakh, okay, and more than 75% of the expenditure of that authority is coming from grant. For that, Kelsey, you have to require example. Okay, 50 lakh is the total expenditure of authority. What is 75%? 37.5. More than the grant is more than 25. Yes, if the total grant is more than 37.5, then that authority is substantially financed from government. We will audit that authority also. Very simple. If government is giving me major money, who is my owner? Government. I will audit that also. One last time. Audit of any authority which is substantially, tell me my dad audit is going on. My audit will go on. Yes, because I am using my dad's money. Understood, sir. So audit of any authority which is substantially financed from CFI, CFS, CFUT. Question number 2. What is substantially financed? If the amount of grant is more than 25 lakh and more than 75% of that expenditure of that authority is coming from the grant. I hope it is clear. Okay. You can take photo of this condition or you want to write. Reply fast. Reply fast. Reply fast. Okay, okay. After 2 minutes, take photo. All right. Okay. After 2 minutes, wait. After 2 minutes, let us finish 2 points. Audit of grant and loan. If I give grant or loan to any person, okay, I will audit. There are conditions for which grant is given. Build a road, build a school, build a hospital. We will see whether grant and loan is used for same purpose or not. Last one. Audit of government company. That CNAG will do? No. They will appoint CA plus COP. Who is COP? Are a chartered accountant having certificate of practice. So it is my duty to appoint. Okay, Mr. Rajiv, the CNAG, will appoint a chartered accountant holding COP to audit what? Government, company and corporation. I hope it is clear. Like SAIL, BAIL, BPCL, HPCL. Over. Can you make us learn? Definitely learn. But first write this. Everything is written except point 1 and 2. If you want, you can take photo, small break. 5 seconds, 10 seconds we will give. If done, write D. Chalo, done. Moving on. Now in 1 second, I will make everything learn. Tell me what are duties of CNAG. All point you will be able to learn. So in exam only 5 is required. Number 1, compile the accounts and subsidiary accounts and report. Compile the accounts of central government accounts are known as Consolidated Fund of India. I will report to President. Okay. Second, state government is known as Consolidated Fund of the state and I will report to whom? Governor. Okay. Union territory accounts are known as just add two words, Consolidated Fund of Union Territory. I will report to administrator. Then 3 famous audits are there from where question can come, and that is the only thing in government audit. Audit of receipt, audit of expenditure, audit of store and stock. One more line. Audit of receipt, audit of expenditure, audit of store and stock. Receipt and store and stock. Question comes less, but you have to read. Audit of expenditure we will do in detail. Next, audit of any authority which is substantially financed from CFI, CFS, CFUT. Next question. What is substantially financed? If the amount of grant is more than 25 lakh and more than 75% of the expenditure of that authority is coming from the grant. Last 2 points. Audit of grant or loan and audit of government company. Audit of grant or loan, audit of government company. Audit of grant or loan, audit of government. I hope everyone is able to not understand but learn. Small break, 10 seconds. Super easy. They ask very easy question. Why? Because no one does all this. So best. This point you read first. Time up. Now this to is easy. 1, 2, 3. Audit of receipt and store and stock. Just once read from module. 2, 3 points you should know. Okay. Not right now. Later. Moving on. Chalo. What are power? Power I don't think will come. If they want to ask power, better ask duty. Duty used to come unlimited times. In new syllabus, they're asking very easy questions. Not all this. But still, one last time we'll speak duty. Okay. Compile the accounts and subsidiary accounts and report. Okay. Next, three audits favorite. Audit of receipt, audit of expenditure, audit of store and stock. Audit of expenditure, audit of any authority which is substantially financed from CFI, CFS, CFUT. Audit of grant or loan, audit of government company. Now power, to in 1 second we can learn. Very simple. Tell me what's the power of CNAG? Inspect any office under the control of union or state government. Any damn office you can go. Amit Shah office, Narendra Modi office, all people you can directly go. You are CNAG. Inspect any office under control of union or state government. After that, what you will go? Ask for books, demand any books, document, record, whatever they are doing work. Your work is important. Third, put such questions which you feel necessary for information. If you have any doubt about document, put questions. Last, in carrying out audit, we can check any account or class of transaction in detail. You can check why for health this much expenditure incurred. Why Ayushman Bharat this much expenditure incurred. Or what is this? Your marketing expense this much? Why what? Your political party or a private agency? Anything you can ask. Tell me four power. How to remember? Only remember one. Rest three automatic. Inspect any office under the control of central or state government. Inspect any books, document, record. Ask any information or explanation or call for such information. In carrying out audit, we can check any transaction or account in detail. Very, very simple. Only 4 points. How to remember? Just remember one point. Are you clear? Number one, inspect any office under the control of central or state government. Demand any books, document, record. Third, after in that, what is that? Put any questions which you may think necessary for information or explanation. Last, in carrying out audit, we can check any account or transaction in detail. I hope it is clear. Yes. Now come here. From here only question comes. But in revision also I take so much detail. Last time they asked most rubbish question. Had we read only once in 3 minutes, then also it will be there. But we will of course do in detail. I thought inside they will ask. They just asked MCQ, super simple. It means you have to be in 6th standard to answer that. By mistake you are doing CA, then wrong. Once also if you have read, it's easy. So audit of expenditure comes usually, we have 5 heads under this. Okay. Audit against rule and order, audit against sanction, audit against provision of fund, propriety, performance. We will study all in detail. Moving on. Audit against rules and orders. See, whatever expenditure is incurred, it should be as per the rules and orders. Okay. So very simple. First you have to check. You are who? CNAG. Check all expenditure is as per rule and order. There are 4 points. Will you understand? No. You will be able to learn also. Here we'll see rules, regulation issued by executive authority. Who is executive authority? These people. They frame central rules and regulation. We have to see all expenditure which they are incurring is as per the rules. Simple. 4 rules. Okay. 4 things we will check. Number one, all expenditure should be as per provisions of constitution or law made thereunder. See, there is certain things written in Samvidhan. Now you will say, what is Samvidhan? Constitution. All expenditure should be as per provisions of constitution or law made thereunder. Second, they are not in conflict with, okay, rules made by higher authority. See, constitution is something which cannot be changed. That Rahul Gandhi keeps that red book. This is in danger. Constitution danger. That is constitution. Second, it should be also not in conflict with rules made by higher authority. Now, the government, higher authority can make different rules. Okay. For example, for foreign, if you want to go, maximum expenditure allowed is 5 lakh. Now they can make 10 lakhs. So see, it is as per 10 lakh. Whatever rules they make, we are not concerned. Second, okay. They are not in conflict with rules made by higher authority. Third, they are as per the requirement of audit and accounts as laid down by CNAG. CNAG will also make rules. Do we have to learn all these rules? No. Too much it will become. In case they are not approved by authority, in case it's a highway expenditure, it's not approved by road minister, then necessary authority has rule making power. They have the power to approve, though they have not approved till now, but they can easily approve. It's a small expenditure. So whenever you check any expenditure, audit against rule and order, 4 points are there. Simple, no, time pass. Number one, expenditure should be as per provisions of constitution or law made there under. Second, it should not be in conflict with rules made by higher authority, executive committee. Third, it is as per the requirement of audit and accounts as laid down by CNAG. In case they are not approved by competent authority, necessary authority has rule making power over. Who can be controlled higher authority? Government. I told no, executive committee. This is the authority. Over. Learn nicely. At times I don't understand most educated people in India. They don't run government. Forget. Too much if we speak, jail. Done. Very simple. One last time. Audit against rule and order. Number one, it should be as per provisions of constitution or rule made there under. Second, okay, they are not in conflict with rules made by higher authority. They are as per the requirement of audit and accounts as laid down in CNAG. In case they are not approved by competent authority, authority has necessary rule making power. But higher than them, constitution is made by Nehru. Are you clear? This is first point. Every government makes their own rule. So it should be as per our constitution or this, both. B.R. Ambedkar. You don't know all this. All this how we can teach. Moving on. Next, fully time pass. Sanction. Expenditure is covered by a sanction and person sanctioning it is competent for the purpose. Let's take a beautiful example. For example, we want to open school. It is under which ministry? Education. So expenditure should be covered by sanction and it should not be sanctioned by PM. It should be sanctioned by education. Of course, PM is higher authority. But let's take another example. It's sanctioned by Pune. Let us open your school because my child is studying here. No, it should be sanctioned by right authority. So two things you have to check. Expenditure is covered by sanction and the authority sanctioning it is competent for the purpose. Fourth point, very simple. In case they are not approved by right authority, but they have the power to approve. Small expenditure, so Nitin Gadkari said, I will not approve. But if we ask Nitin Gadkari, he will easily approve. Like that. Moving on. Second, audit of a sanction. Expenditure is covered by sanction and the authority sanctioning it is competent. For example, school. Who should sanction? Education Ministry. 2 points. So, very simple. God knows why. If by mistake you read, no, it will be more fast. One more time. Expenditure is covered by sanction. Authority sanctioning it is competent for the purpose. Next. Expenditure against provision of funds. Okay. So, I set up funds for beautification of city. Putting lights in city. What I will check here? Two things. Okay. Number one, expenditure is incurred for the same purpose for which provision is made. That is beautification of city. Expenditure is incurred for same purpose and amount of expenditure does not exceed provision. Provision was 82 crore. Then beautification should be done in 82 crore only. Over. Very simple. Audit against provision of fund. Number one, expenditure is incurred for the same purpose for which provision was made and amount of expenditure does not exceed the provision amount. Over. Are we on to last? No, last two. Propriety audit. Till now we have done three. Audit against rule and order, audit against sanction, audit against provision of fund. So many times expenditure is as per rule and order. It's as per sanction. It's as per provision. But it could be improper. avoidable, wasteful expenditure. I have to find out those cases here. Many times, though expenditure, fourth point, done no? Okay, so many time expenditure is as per the rule and order. It's as per the provision. It is as per what? One more point was there, no? Okay, I forgot. Sanction. But it could be wasteful, improper, avoidable expenditure. I will find those cases. Example, going to movie allowed or not allowed? Allowed. But allowed. It is as per your authority. Yes, sanction and provision. Yes. But you could have avoided going to movie. Such cases we will find out. Very rubbish example I took, but still. Okay. Propriety audit. Let's take nicer example. Okay. Some general principles laid down are. So this four principle can come if they want to ask nice paper. Okay. Four principles in propriety audit are. Number one, expenditure should not be more than what occasion demands. Every government officer would exercise same vigilance as a person of ordinary prudence will exercise. Very simple meaning. Never incur more than what occasion demands. Let's take simple example. We have built a brilliant statue of unity. Those who don't know, in Gujarat it is amount. If you listen, you will get shock. I will get double shock. 3,000 crore in a country where per capita income is only 2 lakh. People don't get money to eat. Do we need to incur that 3,000 crore? You will say, yes, sir. Very good. It could be built in 300 crore also. Expenditure should not be more than what occasion demands. Rather than that, feed the people. There are so many people who need education. Give them education. Their lifetime, they will build one statue, 300 crore. All people will be worth at least 30 crore. But for that, government doesn't win. Tell me, when will government win? Government wins only when government wins. So they say there's a one rule in politics. Government has only forget nothing. There is no rule in politics. But it should not be more than what occasion demands. Okay, rather than that, give education, give midday meal to everyone. If they will study, even if one child becomes rich, he will contribute different statue. Every day you can build one statue at home. Are you clear? Provided you study. So one last time, we are not saying don't incur all this necessary, but 300 crore necessary, 3,000 crore, 2,700 crore, lot of things can be done. Number one, expenditure should not be more than what occasion demands. Every person should have same prudence as a person. If your home is there, will you build 3,000 crore statue at home? That is what they are saying. Then why CNAG not pointing out? Who appointed CNAG? Government. Very good. Second, no authority sanctioning expenditure shall pass directly or indirectly to its own advantage. Don't give that statute contract to someone who is related to you. No authority sanctioning expenditure shall pass order directly or indirectly to own. Third, it should not be utilized for a particular person or benefit of particular community. Patel Samaj, Lava Samaj, Lohana Samaj, all Samaj Famaj leave. Muslim Samaj, Hindu Samaj. It should not be for particular person or section of community. Are you clear? North, South, no, India. Okay. Last, amount of allowance should be regulated. Example, it allowance means what? Allowance. See, whenever you give allowance to someone, for example, travel, it should be regulated. So it is not a profit to recipient. Many times in travel, rules are there. Maximum you can go in this much flight only. Otherwise, what will happen? I will say flight cost is 28,000. But I went in a flight of 4,000, 24,000 in pocket. Okay, so like that, amount of allowance should be regulated. There should be rules. So allowance is not my salary. My salary is my salary. I hope you understood. Okay, allowance is not a profit. We will learn these 4 points. Tell me, many times expenditure is everything is proper, but it can be improper. Four principles are there. General principles in audit code are very simple. Number one, expenditure should not be more than what occasion demands. Every person should exercise same prudence as a person of ordinary prudence will. Second, expenditure should not be, no authority shall sanction expenditure, okay, which will be directly or indirectly to his own advantage. Third, expenditure should not be for benefit of particular person or particular section of community. Last, amount of allowance should be regulated. So it is not a profit to the recipient. It is not a source of profit. Limit should be there in allowances. I hope you know. Read small break 10 seconds. Sir, time up. Very good. Tell me general principles laid down in audit code. If they ask full 4 marks, amazing question. Okay. Expenditure should not be more than what occasion demands. Every public officer will exercise same vigilance as a person of ordinary prudence will. Second, expenditure should not be sanctioned that it is directly or indirectly to our advantage. Third, expenditure should not be for benefit of particular person or section of community. Last, amount of allowance should be regulated. It is not source of profit to recipient. Moving on. Performance audit. Here we have triple E: economy, effectiveness, efficiency. I will explain all three one word first of all. So MCQ comes, it is easy. What is economy? Always try to do things in less cost. Are you clear? Though we have money, it is not our own money, it is taxpayer money. Understand? Okay. In India, we have to meet politician. Okay, then it is big thing. Oh, I met Modi Sahab. I met. Come on, they are our servant. That is what people actual meaning is. Government is our servant. We are paying tax. What, why I am telling, in our society, okay, whenever any local MLA comes for any work, okay, society light, etc., etc., then everyone compulsory today attend, very important, leader coming today from this government, everyone has to come, we have to give mala peram. God, no, big message. And if I don't come at the first of all, politician comes at night 11 o'clock. The morning, who will take lecture? Then I get message, you are not cooperating only, no respect. What respect? I have to do my respect or his respect. Then in our society, every month they come. God knows what is famous in our society. Moving on. Performance audit. Till now, how many times I have gone? Zero. Economy audit. What is economy? Government has acquired physical, human and financial resources economically. Okay, whether you have spent any money, whether you have given salary, or whether you have acquired any physical things, it should be done in economical manner. For riverfront, money needed, interest rate should be less, people needed, pay them average salary, not less. Physical, anything needed, okay, pump, pipe. Second, whether spending authority have exercised economy. Is it simple? Very simple. Number one, whether government has acquired physical, human and financial resources economically. Second, whether spending authority have exercised economy. Effectiveness means what? See, you planned a particular scheme for particular objective. Are we able to achieve those objective? Appraisal of various programs, schemes, targets. Compare them with targeted objective. Efficiency means attainment of objective. We have so many schemes in India: Make in India, Stand Up India, Sit Up India, okay, this India, that India, Jago India, Pago India. Are we able to achieve objectives with that? Growth is happening, or only India we are doing? Okay. Appraisal of various programs, schemes with targeted objective. All the schemes which are running, are we able to achieve objective? That's effectiveness. What is efficiency? In that, write everything. First, same copy of economy, whether schemes and projects are done economically. Second point, whether they are giving desired result, effectiveness. Third, only one point remember: relationship between goods and service produced and cost used to produce them. See, I'm getting this much benefit, but at what cost? Are you clear? If you are studying today 10 hours, is CA course worth? No, it is worth lifetime. Study 100 hours, but only 24 hours, then what to do? Understood? Okay. One last time, what is efficiency? 3 points. Whether schemes and projects are done economically. Second, whether we are able to achieve objective. Okay. Last point, efficiency means what? Relationship between goods and service produced and cost used to produce them. Balance. Fully understood. Read this much. See, this is easy. This is easy. Your same copy given. Only one point you have to learn. Be very smart. So what we have done? Order we changed. Otherwise, nothing changed. Order changed. In your book, it will be little different. You can do 1, 2, 3. Allowed. Allowed. Nothing as we have. Moving on. Now, two points are there: audit of receipt and audit of store and stock. Audit of receipt and audit of store and stock. What is receipt? All the money you read once, all the money which should be collected is properly collected. There is no case of double refund. Okay, the method of collection, internal controls are proper. What is store and stock? Store and stock is acquired at reasonable price. Okay, second point, the quantity of store and stock is reasonable as compared to last year. There is no abnormal loss. Just read 3 4 points, try to remember. We are done. Nothing else can come in government audit. But as this came last time, again, now we are moving to which? Cooperative society. Favorite here also I will tell you, 5 to 7 questions, nothing can come beyond that. Ideally, okay, in an ideal world. Not ideal, but they don't ask only hard these days in this chapter. So it should be easy according to me. Listen, cooperative society also only 2 minutes. Real cooperative society, if you understand, all question time pass. Come here. High chance anything can come from here only. Why? Because these has two charts. Government has one and it came last time for 6 marks. Concentrate. See, democracy you have heard. Yes, sir. For the people, by the people, of the people. So come here. Now, cooperative society, main aim is not to earn profit, but to avoid middlemen. All members' profit should be there. That's the aim. Aim is all the people should come together, live together, earn little money. That's the objective. Objective is to avoid middlemen, give better service to consumer. Are you clear? Their aim is not profit. Again, I am telling you, private company aim is profit, but cooperative society is member welfare. Don't forget that. Very good. So usually we have cooperative society for housing, milk and farmer. Okay. What is housing? In a house, everyone is given shares of 100 rupees. Total share capital will be what? 100 into 100, 10,000. Okay. That much only. Milk is also there. Why? So farmers benefit. Usually what happens? Okay. There are businessmen who procure from farmer at cheaper rate. Like that they do. Businessmen very rude. So farmer said, we will only produce, we will only sell. So customer also get cheaper rate, we also get right amount. Okay, why am I explaining? Because all this is relevant. Last, farmer also we have cooperative society. Just for practical understanding, I want to show you top 10 cooperative society in India. So this Yahoo is good for no use. See this. Amul is a cooperative society. Okay. Karnataka Milk is cooperative society. Okay. Indian Farmer is cooperative society for fertilizer. Indian Coffee House you have heard. Saraswat Bank. I hope you understood. Now listen nicely what we have to study. There are two cooperative society. Single state, multi-state, single state, multi-state. What is single state? Whose objectives are only in one state. Karnataka Milk Cooperative Society operate only in Karnataka. Understood. What's multi-state? Whose objectives are not limited to one state. Amul doodh peeta hai India. Amul, the taste of India. So it's whole India. Moving on. Now, sir, if you are restricted to one state, is it single state? Yes. Tell me, who will manage you? There is a registrar. Registrar is a person who is your friend, philosopher, guide, who will see that are you working properly? Are you not working for your benefit? You are working for member benefit. Okay. Your main aim is not to earn money, but to avoid middlemen, give better service. Who will check all this? See, for me, if I do anything wrong, my mom and dad are there, they will directly give me slap. Are you clear? So for cooperative society, who is mom and dad? Only one, register. Come here. Multi-state cooperative. Now tell me, multi-state Amul, okay, mother dairy, they have to deal with so many people. Why so many state? Registrar is a person. In India we have so many state, all state people will call. So for them we have kept central registrar. Whom we have kept? Central registrar. Who is registrar? Friend, philosopher, guide. If they do anything wrong, registrar will scold them. Over. Now everything you will understand, whatever we read, all time pass. Come here. Audit of, first we'll do single state, then we'll do multi-state. What question can come? 3 4 times I will repeat. Every question we will learn only. Start. So your half chapter is done practically. Registrar will audit or tell any person to audit by general or special order. Cooperative society at least once a year. Simple. Registrar, for example, for Gujarat, registrar is DP Desai. Now I will not show you the proof. Remember, Desai Bhai. Desai Bhai himself will audit or tell any other person, you audit on my behalf. Compulsory audit has to be done. Can this question come? No. Who will be auditor of single state cooperative society? Okay, CA, person holding diploma in cooperative accounts, or person working in cooperative department of government. Why? Because there are so many. So all CA will not be available. CAs are less, cooperative society so many. So three options are given. Can this come? Less chance. CA, person holding diploma in cooperative accounts, person working in cooperative department of government. Anyone can do audit. Sir. No, okay, nothing. Come here. Audit concerns. Certain concerns are there. This can come, less chance again. But still, we will read. No member can hold more than 20% share. Why? Otherwise, he will control entire cooperative society. If any member given more power, it will become private company. Here, we have to listen to all members, not one member. Understood? And total value of shareholding cannot exceed 1,000. Why? Because share are of 100 rupees. So maximum 10%. We cannot see. Our main objective is member welfare. We don't want to give welfare to everyone. Only our member. Okay? Can't give loan to any person other than member. With special sanction of registrar, we can give loan to any other cooperative society. State government may also put further restriction. Don't think it will come. Tell me, their main member, thing is welfare to member. Can't give loan to any person other than member. We can give to any other cooperative society if registrar approves. Moving on. Borrowing. From whom you will accept money? Member may accept loan and deposit from member subject to restriction and bylaw of the society. What is bylaw? Rules. Now, first question definitely can come. It has come. Whatever money we earn, one more time, whatever money I earn, cooperative society not loss making, whatever, 25% has to be transferred to reserve fund. 25. I can reduce the percentage, but not less than 10%. Okay. Registrar can reduce percentage if profit is less, but not less than 10% before giving dividend or bonus to member. See, whatever left out, give to member. But before that, 25% to be transferred to reserve fund. Yeah, next question. Why reserve fund? That I will explain after 2 minutes. Moving on. Section 33. Section, if you remember, very good, otherwise okay. Section 34. With sanction of registrar, we may contribute an amount not exceeding 10%. Okay. After transfer to reserve fund as contribution for charitable purpose. After reserve fund, we can also do charity. Okay. With sanction of registrar, we can transfer amount exceeding not 10% of the net profit after transfer to reserve fund as contribution for charitable purpose. Contribution to education fund is a charge on profit. What is charge? It's not transfer, but from their profit is reduced. Okay. Last, according to certain state act, dividend equalization and share redemption are also charged against profit. Simple sir, not understood. Come here now. Practically we will show. 100 rupees you have earned. How much will go to member? 25% transfer to reserve fund. So how much left? 75. Sir, I can reduce percentage up to 10. Yes, but that not usually. Okay. Net profit after reserve fund is how much? 75. Up to 10% will go for charitable purpose. Oh. With special sanction of registrar, up to 10% can be transferred. Let's assume full 10 we are transferring. 7.5. So how much left? 67.5. From their dividend or bonus we will give. Hot favorite MCQ. Very hard paper they want to set, they will ask all this. One last time. Whatever single state cooperative society earns, what they will do? 25% will be transferred to reserve fund. We can reduce, but not less than 10. After transfer to reserve fund, 10% will be transferred to charitable purpose up to 10%. After that, we will give what? Dividend or bonus to member. Education fund is a charge on profit. So education fund will be deducted here only before reserve fund. It is a charge. Charge means what? Profit will be reduced. Over. First question. Now, super duper all question important. Okay. Come here. Sir, reserve fund will be used for what purpose? Came in exam. Investment of fund, everything has come in exam. Start. Reserve fund can be used for three purposes. Number one, in business of society as working capital. Tomorrow, any Karnataka Milk Cooperative Society has problem, then we cannot ask money from member. Okay, they are poor people. Okay, not poor, average people. So I can use it out of reserve fund. Second, may invest as per provisions of the act. I will invest the money of reserve fund. Where? Where? That is next question. May be used to for public purpose, likely to promote objectives of society. See, ad we can also do. Karnataka Milk Cooperative Society can also do ad. Why? To get more sale. For public purpose, likely to promote objectives of society. That in this society, we don't work for money. We work for welfare. We give goods at right prices. Okay, understood like that. So tell me one last time, reserve fund can be used for three purposes. Number one, in business of society as working capital. Second, I may invest as per provisions of the act. Okay. Last, may be used for public purpose, likely to promote objectives of the society. One last time, tell me, reserve fund can be used for three purpose. Number one, in business of society as working capital. May invest as per provision of the act. Third, and last point, likely to promote may be used for things likely to promote objectives of the society. Public purpose likely to promote objective. WIP. So technique can become work in progress. Okay. Number one, may in the business of society as working capital, may invest as per provision of the act, may be used for public purpose likely to promote objective of society. You can write WIP there. Moving on. Next. Sir, so my one doubt I have. Invest means where to invest? Where? Share market? No. Listen, five things you can invest. This came, I think, before a few exams. Maybe two exams, I don't know. But somehow it has come. Tell me, I can invest the funds for five things, okay? Reserve fund can be invested. They can ask question. Five things, right, for 4 marks. Very simple. A society may invest reserve fund in five things. In central or state cooperative bank, in any other cooperative bank other than central or state as approved by registrar. Can you name one cooperative bank? Yes, Saraswat. Sir, one more is there. Sir, Cosmos Bank. Are you clear? Very good. Tell me, reserve fund can be used for first 2 points. Remember, can be invested in central or state cooperative bank, in any other cooperative bank other than central or state as approved by registrar. Third point, okay, in shares, debentures, bonds, security, shares, debentures, bonds, security of any other cooperative society with limited liability. Okay, remember these people are obsessed. They only want one thing: cooperative. Okay. So last one, in shares, debentures, bonds, security of cooperative society with limited liability, in any of the securities as specified under Indian Trust Act. Indian Trust Act will say these shares are safe, you can invest. So a security specified by Indian Trust Act. Last, in any other money permitted by central or state government. Central government says we are launching these debentures, these bonds. Allowed. Any other money permitted by central or state. Just write 5 points, get full marks. One last time. Sir. Reserve fund can be used for what purpose? 5. Simple. It can be invested in central or state cooperative bank, any other cooperative bank other than central or state as approved by registrar. Third, in shares, debentures, bonds, security of any other cooperative society with limited liability. In any of the securities as specified under Indian Trust Act 1881. Last, in any other money permitted by central or state government. You have to learn this. Big yes, already it has come. One last time. Sir, reserve fund can be used for three purposes. WIP, in business of society as working capital. I may invest as per provision of act, likely to be used for public purpose, likely to promote objectives of society. Sir, invest where? Invest where? It can be invested at five places. Number one, in central or state cooperative bank, any other cooperative bank other than central or state as approved by register. Okay. Third, third. In shares, debentures, bonds, security of any other cooperative society with limited liability, in any of the securities as specified under Indian Trust Act. Okay. Any other purpose, any other in any other money permitted by central or state government. Learn nicely. Small break of 10 seconds. Tell me, one, two, three. Reserve fund can be used for what purpose? Five. Okay. Invest in central or state cooperative bank, any other cooperative bank within 25, of course, 25% only. Yes. Or maybe within 10 also, Arun. Who knows? Okay. In central or state cooperative bank, any other cooperative bank other than central or state, in shares, debentures, bonds, security of any cooperative society with limited liability, in any of the securities as specified under Indian Trust Act, in any other money permitted by central or state government. These all are time pass points. We will just read once. Okay. Simple. Special features of cooperative audit. I don't think good question can be made here, but still okay. In cooperative audit, I need to examine, classify bad debts into two parts. Okay. Debts I will classify. That is money I have given. Okay. 6 months to 5 years, more than 5 years. Separate classification has to be done. So auditor can audit. Why? Because we can book a provision. Second, that interest which is pending of 6 months to 5 years and more than 5 years, it should be excluded from interest outstanding and accrued. Why? Because not received in 6 months, what we will receive? Very good. Bad debts. Bad debts will be there in cooperative society only when auditor certifies. If auditor does not certify, managing committee of society can also certify. Simple. Asset and liability refer to AS2 and AS10 they have written. Most important, just for understanding. Cooperative principle. See, our main objective is not earning money, but following the cooperative principle, not in terms of profit, but giving welfare to the members. Middleman commission should be avoided. Expenses are incurred economically. Okay, that's the main thing. I will still read. Check whether objectives are achieved not in profit, but giving member. Expenses are incurred. There is no wastage, commission avoided. My second, no, one more time pass question. When I give loan to any member, okay, then I will also check his book. In his book, loan is there. Many times what happen? I will tell that I have given loan, but put money in my pocket. I know this person will never understand, and I can do fraud. Many people do like that in cooperative society, fully fraud. Okay, so what people do? They give loan, but in your book I will not write loan. You don't know, only you have taken loan, and I will put money in pocket. Examine the entry in the member's book regarding the loan given. So I will look at member book. Okay, is there loan given, and confirm with him loan balance in persona. I can also confirm. Go to cooperative society and confirm. Favorite question, definitely if they can ask, this will come. Special reporting to register. Register is a friend, philosopher, guide. I will give him special report in 4 case. Definitely it can come. If auditor notices there are serious irregularities in cooperative society, he will do special reporting to register. The registrar on receipt of special report will take action. In 4 cases, special report will be sent. How many cases? 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, start. In 4 cases, special report. Why it can come? See, from name only understand question. It can come. Okay. Special report will be sent to registrar by auditor in 4 cases. On receipt of report, registrar will take action. FMDP. But that later. Number 1, there is a fraud relating to expense purchase tour. Any person doing fraud, what we will tell? Sir, look at this. Look at this person. He's not working as per cooperative society. Fraud he is doing. Okay. Mismanagement. Decision against cooperative principle. I am procuring raw material from my son's agency. Here we don't have to look at son and daughter. There are so many members involved. Don't be crazy. Don't do anything, for example, against cooperative. What are cooperative principle? Middlemen should be avoided. Okay. Farmer welfare should be there. Corporate, every member understood, sir. Disproportionate advance to vested interest group. Cooperative society earns interest also by giving loan. We are giving loan to our members only. Arey, you are managing committee, no? Series by, Ramesh by, Girish by. All three enjoy. In our society, all this only happen. Whatever written here, no, everything happen. Full funds they collect, the night party. I don't reply only. I said, do whatever you want. They are using funds for 2 3 members only enjoying the money. Like that, not allowed. Disproportionate advance to vested interest groups such as relatives of management. Okay, money is given to them. Advance without proper security and proper safeguards for judging the credit worthiness of party. You are giving loan without taking security, without judging credit worthiness. Last, personal profiteering by members of managing committee. Array, for this, we have incurred this much expense in cooperative society. 25% you kept commission. Sir, bill to fake we can prepare. Personal profit by members of managing committee. You understood the question important. Why? Because look at the points. Okay, now we'll learn. Tell me, special reporting to registrar in single audit will be done in what cases? FMDP, FMDP, FMDP. Fraud relating to expense purchase store. Mismanagement, decision against cooperative principle. Do 2D, disproportionate advance to vested interest group such as relatives of management. One more point, advance is given without judging credit worthiness of borrower and without security. P. Personal profiting by members of managing committee. All these point practically is exist. One last time, sir. One last time. Special report will go to register in what case? Please tell. FMDP, fraud relating to expense purchase store. Mismanagement, decision against cooperative principle. Disproportionate advance to vested interest group, that is relatives of management. Same advance given without judging credit worthiness of borrower and without proper security. Last point, personal profiting by members of managing committee. At that time special report will be there and they will take action. What action? Not given. I don't want to learn also. Small break, 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, start. Tell me, special report will be sent in 4 cases. FMDP, FM, fraud relating to expense purchase store. M, mismanagement, decision against cooperative principle. D, disproportionate advance to vested interest group, that is relative of management. One more, advance given without proper security and credit worthiness of borrower. P, personal profiting by members of managing committee. Now, this all this time pass. Maybe MCQ can come. Okay. After entire audit is over, you give class to the society. A rating, B rating, C rating. In real life, no such rating is there. Maybe before 20 years this was there. Our new syllabus came, but nothing they changed in new syllabus except deleted few chapter. So that is what. I searched this unlimited time. What class is there? Never ever found. But still, forget it. After judgment of overall performance of the society, we give a class to the society as specified by the register. So they will give some criteria. Based on that, we will award a class: A rating, B rating, C rating. If management is not satisfied with their class, they will complain to register that this auditor little biased. He is not giving me proper marks, like ICAI, not proper. Register may direct the auditor to review. Review by why you give B rating. Again check again. Sir, what difference does it make? Members will not join that cooperative society. Reputation will be affected. Oh yeah. And if more member come, their power will be more. Yes, true. Everything you know. Last, before giving audit report, you have to discuss. Tell secretary to conduct a meeting with managing committee and discuss with them. Why? If they feel certain points are bad, please remove them. Why? See, ultimate objective is member welfare, not to show off no you knowledge. This is different, okay? On conclusion of audit, auditor will ask secretary, please conduct managing committee meeting to discuss draft audit report. Then discuss with them. If they feel their language little rude, remove. Over. Last chart, then half chapter over at least. Can you please explain last 2 bullet points of fourth audit concern? This one, this one, fast write yes or no. This one, left. This one, whatever we earn money Whatever money we have earned, 25% will be transferred to reserve fund. After that, whatever left, 10% transferred to charitable purpose. Over. Your sum is done of that. Shall we go ahead? Charge on profit and appropriation of profit is what? Okay. See, once you earn profit, after that you transfer, that is appropriation. Charge means what? Before calculating profit, you have to minus. So education fund is not transfer of profit. It is charge of profit. In 11th standard, Bagodia sir taught all this. Full concept. Our school. Is it compulsory? What? Charge on, of course, compulsory. Now, I incur expenditure of water bottle. Now I will say, no, 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 no. It will not be deducted from my profit. Then from where to deduct? No, after earning profit, I will transfer profit. No. Understood? Of course, compulsory. Over. Moving on. Last point. Okay. Here also 3 favorite question are there. But I don't understand what new is there. It's a multi-state. Those cooperative society whose objectives are not restricted to one state is multi-state. Amul Mother Dairy. Amul Mother Dairy. Very good. Read. Applies to cooperative society whose objectives are not in one state. Most important, their fund cannot be used for political purpose. Usually, why we form cooperative society? For politics, so we can give the fund. Okay, cannot be used. Government is clearly said. Sir, who will do multi-state? See, it's multiple state. The stakes are higher. Only CA needed. But what if CA not available? Bring new CA. Very good. Sir, who cannot do audit? All this will not come. Why? Because it was in syllabus, they removed all this from company audit, but still it is there. Okay, but still we'll read. Body corporate. Company can never do the audit. Why? Because in company, who will be liable? It's an artificial person. So CA, then we can say he is liable. Okay, body corporate not allowed. Officer or employee of multi-state cooperative society cannot do. What you will do audit? You are officer, you are employee, you are fully biased person. Very good. Person who is a member or is in employment of officer or employee. Okay. For example, I am an officer. My employee is Raj. He also cannot do audit. Why? Because he will listen to me and I will listen to cooperative society. So, person who is a member or employment. One more time. Member or employee. Of whom? Officer or employee. He also cannot do. Person who is indebted to multi-state cooperative society. My one loan is pending. What I will do audit? I will be fully biased, okay? Or I have given security for third person for more than 1,000 rupees. Audit not allowed. I am giving security of other person. Then directly they will tell, sir, that other person is not paying. Properly audit, don't find out points, okay? Okay. So I hope clear. Just read once. Nothing great. I don't think it will come. Why? Your favoriteest questions are there. What they will ask this. But still, body corporate, officer or employee, member or employee of officer of employee, person who is indebted to multi-state cooperative society or who has given guarantee for more than 1,000 rupees. This will also not come. Then directly teach what will come. No. Like that we don't know how to teach. Power and duty of auditor. What? Right to access books, account, voucher. After accessing book, you have doubt. Ask doubt. Okay. Uh, shall be entitled to officer or explanation to give such information as he may think necessary. Very simple. Tell me two power of auditor. Right to access books, account, voucher. Ask any information, doubt, explanation which he may think necessary for performance of duty as auditor. Your officer refers to central register. No, other officers, managing committee member. Central register has still not come into picture. Now we will come. Now all question important from year to year. Rattamar. Rattamar. What is Rattamar? Learn every single thing. Everything super duper important. Start. All these questions have come how many times? Counting stopped. Counting is stopped now. Start. Power of central. See, how do I know which question will come? Central government came, Narendra. Narendra will tell, do special audit of these people. Narendra Modi, sir. Okay, moving on. A power of central government to direct special audit. Tell me, central government will tell us, do special audit in 3 cases. To whom they will tell? Auditor, central government will appoint. Sir, why? Central registrar is there? No, here. Central government came. Means important question. No, sir, very important. Very good. In three cases, we will get direction for special audit. Special audit will be done for multi-state cooperative society. Special audit will be done in three cases. One last time, when special audit is done, when central government tells SSS, Sushant Singh Rajput, absolutely no. That is SSR. This is SSS. Number one, affairs of multi-state cooperative society are not managed as per sound business principle. What is a good principle? Welfare to member, no middleman. You are not doing all this. You are thinking about money. Gone. Special audit. Managed in a manner it's likely to cause injury or damage to the trade or business to which it pertains. You are causing injury to the business. Are you clear? You are intentionally selling at higher price. That is not your intention. Your entire industry you are spoiling. Okay, others are also suffering due to you. You are causing injury or trade. Okay, you are intentionally not supplying milk. Why? So tomorrow price will be more. All this not allowed. Endanger its solvency. You can become insolvent. Sir, if they become insolvent, good no. And member money will go. They have taken deposit from member. Okay, one last time. But you don't become so emotional. Just learn. Tell me, power of central government to do special audit in three cases. S. Okay, multi-state cooperative society is not managed as per sound business principle, or it's managed in a manner it's likely to cause serious injury it is likely to cause serious injury or damage to trade, industry, or business to which it pertains. And last, endanger its solvency. Means it can become insolvent. Okay, it can become insolvent. One last time. Tell me, special audit central government when? Central government can tell for special audit in three cases. To whom? To whom? To whom? Multi-state cooperative society. SSS. Affairs of multi-state cooperative society are not managed as per sound business principle. 2. It is managed in a way it's likely to cause serious injury or damage to trade, industry, or business to which it pertains. Last, endanger its solvency. Means it can become insolvent. Learn nicely. Small break, 10 seconds. Time up. One, two, three, start. One last time. Tell me, when is special audit necessary? When multi-state cooperative society is not working as per sound business principle. Second, it's working in a way it's likely to cause serious injury or damage to trade, industry, or business to which it pertains and endanger its solvency. Very simple. Now tell me, central government can tell special audit only when it holds more than 51% stake. See, if you are my dad only now, then only you can scold me. Otherwise, you can never tell me anything. If by mistake I tell my cousin is there, I will tell your child very bad. They don't like, they gossip at home. Arey, this third class, we will never go at his home only. Why is he telling? Our child we can scold. Any other child we scold, no, then no one likes. Are you clear? For example, if someone will scold my child, I to like, but my wife doesn't like. Are you clear? So it's mentality like that only. In India, what to do? So you can give me special audit only if you are my owner. If you are not my owner, who are you? Get out, central or state government. Simple. Lifetime you will understand. Central government will tell special audit only if central or state government hold 51% or more stake. Oh. Tell me, whom? Wait. Report will go to whom? Don't learn. Whoever told for audit, central government. Special auditor will report to central government. On receipt of report, central government will take action in 4 months. Sir, what if they don't take action? We will send the report. They will send the report. Government will send the report to multi-state cooperative society, either full or extract, and tell them send it to member or read before members in the meeting. Okay. Last, sir, expenses who will determine? Central government. They have to write. No, CA will not do free audit. Okay, and it will be paid by multi-state cooperative society. If not paid, it is recoverable as area of land revenue. Sound business principle means what? Anything which is against cooperative society. You are trying to earn money. That is not allowed. Understood? Okay. Now, sir, this full again, can you explain? Very simple. Tell me, here. Don't read. Tell me, who will give special audit instruction? Central government shall order for special audit only if central or state government alone or together hold 51% or more share. Tell me, as soon as report is there, it will come to central government. Central government will take action in how many months? 4 months. Sir, if they don't take action, they will send the report to multi-state cooperative society, who will send it to member or tell them to be read before the member in the meeting. Last, expenses will be determined by central government. Who will pay? It will be paid by multi-state cooperative society. Sir, if not paid, it will be recoverable as arrears of land revenue. I hope it is clear, super clear. Last question and full 5 marks in your pocket. Now, central government is being over smart. Registrar is also there. You are registrar, to no authority only. Third class person. No, he is also important. Come now. Moving on. Registrar is also good person. Okay. Inquiry or inspection by registrar. Now, central government out of picture. Registrar. Tell me. First of all, understand logic. Tell me when inquiry or inspection will be done. When something wrong is there. Of course. Now, central government special audit. Inquiry, inspection, register. So, why central government good word? Because it's government, right? Okay. This is just register, local person. Inquiry or inspection. It will order for inquiry or inspection in 4 cases. Number one, federal cooperative to which multi-state cooperative society is associated. What is federal? My colleague. Example, Mother Dairy complains, sir, Amul is doing malpractices. Amul is putting water in the milk. Sir, allowed? No, not allowed. Trust quality important. Members, are you clear? You have to do welfare of people, not do such cheap things. Oh, so it may request from federal cooperative to which multi-state cooperative society is affiliated. Federal means what? Your colleague. Second, any complaint from creditor. More than one third of members of both. More than one fifth of total members of multi-state cooperative society. This one third is what? Board committee member. Your member, your. Okay, this is total member. Hold the inquiry or inspection into working and financial condition. What question can come? Tell me, when will inquiry and inspection take place? Central Register may hold inquiry and inspection in 4 cases. Number 1, federal cooperative to which multi-state cooperative society is associated. Creditor, more than one third member of the board, more than one fifth of total member of multi-state cooperative society hold inquiry and inspection into working and financial condition. But don't go like SEBI. Raid, we are here. 15 days notice you have to give. Why? They might not be prepared. Tell them we are going to come. However, before holding inquiry, 15 days notice should be given to multi-state cooperative society. Very good. Sir, can we learn this again? Small break, 5 seconds. Time up? Yes, sir. Okay. Tell me, inquiry or inspection? Okay, from, tell me this central register. Federal cooperative to which multi-state cooperative society is associated. Creditor. Any one creditor also. Why? Because he has money is pending. Okay. Creditor. One third of member of the board. More than one fifth of member of multi may hold inquiry inspection into working and financial condition of multi-state cooperative society. However, before holding inquiry inspection, 15 days notice should be given. Okay, so they are prepared. Sir, what power he will have? What power? He will access books, accounts, vouchers, cash and other property. Anything he can do. Central register. Second, he may tell officer to hold a meeting. But before 7 days given notice, if he wants to call meeting, okay, he can tell officer call a meeting, but give him a notice of before 7 days of meeting. Last, summon any person, okay, to who has knowledge of multi-state to appear before him at head office or any other branch of multi-state cooperative society. Simple. He has 3 powers. Does this seem okay? I don't think they can ask, but still. Last question. Now, that was 4 months. Within 4 months, central government will take action. Here, central register shall within a period of 3 months from the report communicate the report to multi-state cooperative society. Tell them the members are doing wrong or not doing wrong or whatever. Okay, within 3 months. One last time, sir, what power he can have? He can access books, accounts, voucher, cash, other property. Second, he may tell officer of the society to conduct a meeting, but before 7 days, you have to give a notice. Last, summon any person who has knowledge of matters of multi-state cooperative society to come at head office or any branch of multi-state cooperative society. Sir, tell me whom we will tell. After receiving the report within 3 months, central registrar will send the report to multi-state cooperative society that is there anything wrong in financial and working condition or everything is right. Sir, audit to auditor, after audit these questions are there. That is why these are important. Half chapter over. Any doubt? Now rest all is chintu pintu time pass. You have to fully not understand. Many people say understood, very good. Learn now. Learning should be there. Okay. Let's move on to the last part. 1 minute break. Very important. We are starting. Listen for half an hour very nicely. Moving on. Any doubt? No. Today, please tick expected question in exam. Today, which all chapter? All chapter or this chapter? Not understood. All or this? Reply fast. All is available YouTube. For this chapter, I can tell all already available YouTube. We have shooted for everyone. Expected nothing is there. You look at the face and you should understand. See the first face. This has come in exam. Point number 4. Moving on. After point number 4, these two are important. Reserve fund. I already told. Whichever we have learned. Done. Three questions told till now. Special reporting, very important. Four questions done. Done? Whichever you learned. Simple. Four. Then last two questions. Everything from here. This to this. This entire and this. This entire and done. In 2 pages also. Out of 3 pages, I am telling 5 marks will come. In BCom also, less they give. BCom also 5 pages you have to read for one question. This is easier than BCom also. Chalo, moving on. Let's not go into that. Now, 1, 2, 3, start. Rest all, as I told, are similar. Now again we are coming back. Half an hour. I want pin drop attention. Only half an hour. Listen very nicely. I want to finish 2 pages. Okay, let's start. And then after the break we will come study for 20-25 minutes. Come. Different entities. Till now we have discussed one question, it's second question. There are several entities, but what we have observed is any entity comes in exam, you can write certain common points. Okay, common points are what? General. Let anyone come. Okay, so education come, hotel come, hospital come, charitable come, club come, anything comes. Are you clear? General questions are there. Done. For all chapters we have already uploaded. Important. Okay. General things to be checked. So we divide our entire discussion into 5 parts. General points to be checked. After general, receipt, expenditure, asset, liability. Four things. In P&L, what is there? Receipt. This side, what is there? Expenditure, asset, liability, and general point. Over. For every entity, whichever you want, we will take 3 demos before the break. Okay. Any entity in the world, we will take 5 points. Out of 5, 4 you already know: asset, liability, income, expense. Let us discuss general points. General, what do you check? Review legal status of entity. Do I need to explain the sole proprietor, partnership, HUF, LLP? Second, obtain and study fundamental legal document. Example, for proprietor, we have Shop Act license. For partnership, we have partnership deed. For trust, there is some trust deed. HUF deed. Review and study fundamental legal document. Review internal control system of entity. This you know. First stage is ROMM. Review internal control. Third, examine the powers of members of managing committee or governing body. What power is there? Which checks they can sign? About which amount they can sign? What is the power of managing committee? Can they sanction all expenditure? All that. So for that we need to see the power. Study the minutes of board meeting, governing body or managing committee. Why? In minutes of the meeting it is written who will sign on bank account, who has the power to authorize expenditure, who has the power to sanction which expenditure, who has signing authority, etc. Last, examine accounting policy followed, accounting record maintained. Over. This is maximum we can study. Let any entity come, points are same. No need to learn them. One more time, 3 times you read, automatic it will be learned. Number 1, review legal status of the entity. Obtain and study fundamental legal document, whichever document is there. Come to the third point. Okay. Review internal. Review internal control. Examine the powers of members of managing committee or governing body. Okay. Study the minutes of the meeting of governing body, managing committee. Last, examine accounting policy followed, accounting record maintained. Don't feel it is hard. Just read once. Every time we don't need to get out of 5 a 5. If we get 3, it is okay. Every time if you get 3, do you understand how much marks you get? For every question, if we secure a 3 marks, okay, MCQ, let us assume out of 30 we get 25. So how much balance paper pending? 70. Let's assume 5 marks you don't know. One question you don't know. 65 marks. Multiply. You only get how much? 60%. Still it is 39 marks. 39 marks plus 25. 64. If all chapter you know half baked, still look at the answer. I hope you understood. 1, 2, 3, start. Tell me general things. Review legal status of the entity. Obtain and study fundamental legal document. Third point, everyone knows. Examine internal control system of the entity. Okay. Then examine the powers of members of managing committee or governing body. Study the minutes of the meeting of managing committee or governing body. Examine accounting policy followed, accounting record maintained. Small break of 5 seconds, 10-second take. Time up. Now, in receipt, what is there? There is one special receipt. Example, let's take school. Tell me, what is the receipt main thing in a school? Fees. What is in hotel? Room rent. What is in hospital? Okay, hospital, patient fees. Except that, main you have to understand, which is the main. Except that, there is one technique which is common, grid. Except the main, we have grid. What is grid full form? Government grant, rent, interest, dividend, donation. Government grant, rent, interest, dividend, donation. All. Take any one. I will never read these points now. If you want for demo, I will read 1 or 2 times. Same in all. Government grant, rent, interest, dividend, donation. Government grant, rent, interest, dividend, donation. How to audit? Simple points, remember. We want only 3 marks. Government grant. We will see whether grant is received by government for specific purpose. Are the funds used for same purpose? Over. 2 point done. Rent. If we are receiving C, we will see rent, whether it is properly received as per the rent agreement. Okay, we want to write more. If there is a escalation clause in the rent, C, the amount is received as per escalation clause. Over. Interest. Okay, we will see all the investments done in fixed deposit, obtain a register of investment, and see interest is properly received as per the agreed terms and conditions. Donation. Okay, see, we will compare the donation with the donation register, or in the magazine there is a subscription magazine. Okay, annual report. In the annual report we will see donation received, compare the figure with that. Second point, if donation is received for a specific purpose, we will see whether it is used for same purpose. Dividend, how to check? Okay, we will obtain a register of all investments done and see dividend is properly received for all investment. Over. But for that, once you should have read it, only once. Now tell me, if I was not there, you still know these points, but you will never write. Why? Because you did not listen once also. One last time again I will speak. Government grant. If government grant is received from government, see, are there conditions attached to the grant? Whether is it used for same purpose? Rent. We will see rent agreement and see rentals are properly received. We can also compare rental with bank account. If there is a escalation clause, see, properly we are receiving as per the clause. Interest. We will check investment register to see interest is received properly. Donation. If donations are for specific purpose, see amount is used for same purpose. Compare the donation with subscription register or annual report. In expenditure, if you don't know anything what to write, okay, check various expenditure like staff, common with vouchers. Are you clear? We can also compare if there is capital expenditure, see it is sanctioned by appropriate authority. Third and last point, all the expenditure we will see, is it matching with budgeted? If not, report to managing committee. Over. Only 3 points. One last time, check all the expenditure with the voucher, compare expenditure with budgeted expenditure. Okay, if it is exceeding, tell report to managing committee. Capital expenditure is done, see it is sanctioned by appropriate authority. Asset and liability, what to explain? Nothing good. Now, this to nothing I have made you study. I have just told you menu. This is what you are going to eat. Before we go to restaurant, we check out what is the rate and menu, right? Now, let's go to restaurant, okay? Till the time you are tired, I will keep teaching these points. How many times? In everything. But these days, what I taught you, know, good you listen, but it doesn't come like that. They ask one special point these days. What I will tell. Start. Education institute. General 2 points are there, they don't ask. Okay, let me explain normally and then I will tell you what they ask in exam. Okay, start. Examine trust deed or regulation. See, now all points they have not given you. Only 2 are given. We studied all 8, they have given only 2. Examine trust deed or regulation and see all provision affecting accounts. Read the minutes of managing committee or governing body regarding who will operate bank account and who will sanction expenditure. In minutes of meeting written, principal has the right, okay, account officer has the right. Now, receipt. Tell me what is the biggest receipt for education institute? Here we are talking of schools, okay? What's the biggest thing for school? Fees. Become emotional in fees. By mistake, you don't know 2 point. Okay. Had I not read this, what I would write? Simple. Check the name in student register is matching with fees record. In student register, attendance record, 22 students are there. Fees only 21. Why? Check the name in fees register with the student register and see fees are recovered from all student. Second, examine. Now what you will check? Internal control regarding, okay, the amount of fees charged. Is it the same for all the student? Third, what I will check? Okay, cash book. I will check cash book. Compare entry in cash book with counterfoil of receipt issued. What is counterfoil of receipt? You know, in school when you go, there is a xerox. They will give you one receipt and another xerox is there, carbon is there, okay? So that you have to check with carbon copy duplicate that all the amount is included in cash book. Many time I will tear a receipt and put money in pocket, okay? So check entries in cash book with counterfoil of receipt issued. Counterfoil means xerox of receipt issued, okay? 3, if any student has paid advance fees, see it is properly carried. If fees are due, see it is carried forward to next year. If any student is not going to pay the fees, see it is properly authorized by managing committee. I want to speak more. See if concessions are given or scholarship is given, it is approved by properly authority. Over how much ever you know, whatever you know about fees, right? Maximum what will happen? He will give 2.5. Okay, I don't want your marks. Read. Now, if you well, I am not able to learn, no one is able to learn. I also said points just in time pass. Read. Check name in student register with class register. Of course, you will do this. And test check the amount of fees. Is there a system of internal check to ensure fees are properly charged? Check fees by comparing cash book with counterfoil of receipt. Fees paid in advance are carried forward. Fees that are irrecoverable are written off by appropriate authority principle. Oh, one point I forgot. See, it can happen. Admission fees are credited to capital account. You know, in school there are advance admission fee that is given as a refund once you go out of the school. So if I'm in KG, in 12th I will go out of the school. In 12th I will get those fees. Many people to forget only. So those are capital fees, not revenue. Admission fees are taken to capital account. Fines or late payment are received. Hostel dues are also received. Hostel also become emotional. You can write one more point. If damage is done to hospital, see it is amount is recovered. Whatever we know, right, without thinking much. True. Report old arrears. If old money is pending of fee, dormitory, report to managing committee. Now, favorite point came, grid. But they don't ask. These days what they ask, not receipt. They will only ask, write about fees, 4 marks. New ICAI is there. Earlier what used to happen? I used to make you learn this only. For any write this. New ICAI very smart. But still we will run full. Verify rental income with rent agreement. Over. Only 1 point given. Verify interest and dividend with income from investment and see various securities held. For every share, have we received dividend? Verify any government or local authority has given grant for playground, etc. See any expenditure is disallowed under grant. See donation received for school. Is the donation received for playground, hospital, water pub, God knows what you call in English. See money is used for that purpose. Liability. Caution money and deposit money received by student should be taken to liability. It's not a revenue. Over. Payment. Verify all the PF money of staff is invested in security. Provident fund, certain portion you pay to whom? If you don't know provident fund, certain portion is paid to staff and certain we invest. So they get at the time of retirement. So verify all the PF money is invested properly. Vouch all capital expenditure is sanctioned by appropriate authority. Vouch establishment, routine expenditure like telephone, stationery, printing. Inquire into heavy expenditure. If any expenditure, anyways we will inquire. See if expenditure is more than budgeted. Report to managing committee. I told you 3 points. Increase in salary of staff is approved by managing committee. Teacher salary increase. Asset. 2 point. Ascertain a system. There is a system for ordering. What? Provision, food stuff, clothing. That system is proper. You order food at times, okay, clothing at times, uniform, okay, proper. Whether inventory, also do physical verification of hockey stick, cricket bat, furniture, staff. Over. Now tell me, had you read, you would have understood. Of course. Now what brain I will give what value addition in this? Maybe you know better because you qualified recently school. But by the way, whatever we are studying is all useless. These days school are fully electronic. Which school will give cash book? And which student will give fees in cash? Today no student gives fees in cash. Not allowed. In it is written no cash allowed, and we are learning this. At times I wonder, hardest course of India, best institute in the world. The CA is the best degree. And what you are saying, we are teaching AI, we are teaching machine learning, artificial intelligence, latest new syllabus. This is the new syllabus of CA course. This is since when? Since I am studying. They have not changed one word also. All these points are useless. Someday, someone should take ICAI, all people, once to school, that what school today is. There is no problem in learning. Nothing is true. Not even one word we can audit here. These days, private company are there in school. There is no committee. But forget. I hope you understood. Okay. Now let's move to second. All are same. How much ever you want, we can learn. Quality education, that is not our responsibility. We are auditor. Only financial things we will check. Only financial. Chalo, we'll do this two more. Okay. All is super simple. Super simple. Which one you want? Let's take hospital first. Why? Hotel, my favorite. Why? Because we have hotel, no? Those who don't know. Hotel, the full life I have seen in hotel only. Audit of hospital. First, in hospital, what is there? They will never ask, write a short note on audit of hospital. I know them. They will ask for patient. Become emotional in patient. Number 1 point, tell me what will be. We will vouch the register of patient and see bills are issued to all patient. No patient is pending. Second, okay, in case, same, that's their favorite point. Compare cash book with counterfoil of the receipt issued to all the patient. See if the medical bill is pending of patient, it is settled before the settlement of the patient. Okay, tell me what more we can write in patient. Nothing is there. I was thinking from where to find points. Vouch register of patient with copy of bill issued. Register, bills are issued to all patients. Bills are issued to all patients from whom recoverable. Check cash book with counterfoil of receipt issued. In hospital, by mistake, if you tell them no cash, they will look like God knows why he got cancer. Not allowed. Hospitals are, God knows how much big they have become. Investment rent. Shall I teach? I will stay. See investment register to see. Proper interest is received, dividend is received, rent is received. Donation. Trace all subscription and donation to the annual report or donation register. Whatever amount is mentioned in annual report or donation register, entire amount is received. I don't know whether they have written or not. If donation is for specific purpose, to build radiology, cardiology, see it is used for same purpose. Done. Grant. Government grant properly accounted. More time it will take in reading rather than explaining. Explaining is more easy. Whether particular amount of bill can we write? You can write, provided they've asked that point. Payment. Vouch all purchase and expense. See whether capital expenditure is incurred. It is sanctioned by appropriate authority. Compare the expenditure with budgeted. If exceed, report to managing committee. Increment is authorized. Same 4 points. Same. Asset. See, depreciation is charged on all asset at appropriate rate. Inspect share, debenture, bond. Compare them with investment register. In this much return, are there this much only? Obtain inventory, especially stock, store, do physical verification. Examine internal check. Okay. Internal check regarding, internal check means system, internal control regarding receipt and issue of store, medicine, linen is bed sheet, apparatus. Apparatus means bathroom, you do know many times. In hospital, there is no bathroom. You cannot move also because surgery. So bathroom vessel is there. The apparatus, all vessel, clothing, instrument is properly done. See, there is a proper system and it is recorded in inventory. Do physical verification. Over. If you read, it takes more time. In explanation, less time. Now many people tell, how to learn all this? I also don't know. You just go read this 3 times. Once we are reading, 2 more times read. If they want good CA, you will pass. If they don't want, their hard luck. Now Mediclaim is there. Now entire world is in Mediclaim, but not even 1 point of Mediclaim. And this is a new syllabus, by the way. New syllabus, anti-drastic AI. And CA student like also a new syllabus came. Struggle is real. Here nothing new. These days, by mistake also, if you go to hospital without Mediclaim, whether hospital you will die or not, before that only you will die by looking at bill. If by mistake hospital will save you, you look at bill and you will die. That much expensive. Moving on. Hotel. Hotel pilferage is the biggest thing in hotel. What is pilferage? Small theft. They will steal dye, they will take vegetable, etc. So proper control should be there. Now tell me receipt. They will ask room sale, 5 marks. Tell me room sale how to check. C. Entries in the guest register. And C. Bill is issued to all the guests. Are you clear? All the guest bill is issued. Entry register. Second, we can also compare standard rate of the room with the actual rent charge. Inquire into difference if any. Third, okay, if we can check number of persons for bill is charged with entry register. Why? Extra person charge is there. We are talking of Taj Hotel. Okay. By mistake, 4 people, you charged only 3,000 rupees extra bed charge is there. See, that is properly done. In big hotel, they prepare daily occupancy report. See, daily occupancy report is matching with entry register and that is matching with bill. Are you clear? Okay. Let me read now. Charge for room sale is posted to guest bill by receptionist. Receptionist will post. Or in case of large hotel, there is a night auditor. Okay. So receptionist will prepare the bill. What is night auditor? In Taj, Oberoi, night auditor comes. He comes, name is night auditor. Okay. He comes and prepare the bills and go like that. Check the correct guests are charged. Correct number of guests are charged with entry register. Any difference between standard rate and the actual rate charge should be inquired. In many cases, we prepare daily occupancy report. Compare that with guest register and the bill. Proper records are maintained for hall. Okay, if you are given hall, special party, see amount is recovered. What to explain? Now this is nice point. God knows how they thought this before 10 years. This point, how they thought before 10 years when syllabus was made. Okay. Auditor can also check restaurant bill with kitchen order ticket. You know what is kitchen order ticket? Many time you give order, so ticket is created. One paneer butter masala, one naan, one this, one that. Okay. Compare with that ticket, the bill, same things are there. Of course, it will be same. No. Many time what they will tell, sir, for paneer tikka pay us directly. We will charge 10 rupees less. People can do that. Are you clear? So, like that. Check the restaurant bill with kitchen order ticket to see there are proper control. Taxes received are paid to government. Kitchen order ticket is what? They take order, no? These days, so directly in tablet only we give order. Directly. Travel agent, okay? Ensure if booking is taken from travel agent, my proper commission is deducted. These days, Make My Trip, you book the room. So Make My Trip deducts 30% and pay to our hotel. Money received from travel agent is as per the terms allowed. Payment. Cost of minor repair and decoration is charged to P&L. Major expenditure, if any done, is capitalized with sanction of appropriate authority. In hotel, don't write managing committee. Okay. Casual labor. Hotel depends a lot on casual labor. For example, there is a wedding, so I will call 20 people. C. There are proper controls for casual labor. In our hotel, though, our dad only there. So what control? Everything is sole proprietor. Commission paid to. See, many times it is pay at hotel. You know what is pay at hotel? You pay the amount at hotel and then pay to agent. My dad never pays only like that. But still, I am telling that is pay at agent. So in that, what happened? Commission is paid to travel agent as per terms of agreement. So example, 1,000 rupees, 30 rupees is commission of Make My Trip. You pay to Make My Trip. They will also pay if it advance booking. If pay at hotel, then this point will come. See inventory like silver, cutlery, all the inventory which is there. Many times that gold vessels are there. Silver vessel, it can be treated as fixed asset also. Depends on the life of inventory. See inventories like silver, cutlery are fixed asset or inventory. It depends on accounting policy followed by hotel. And definitions of inventory and fixed asset are closely followed. Over. Any doubt? No. How much ever you want. Statue of Unity in Ahmedabad. Our hotel Porbandar. Porbandar, no development. Gandhiji birthplace. No development. Before 2-3 days, they are saying that all new things they have kept in statue. But I have visited hotel. Okay. Shall we go ahead or take break? I don't know. All this only we will continue. Yes, we have a 3-star hotel. Tell me what to do. Break. After break, hardly 15-20 minutes pending. But let's take break so we can learn. Okay. What time we come back? 10:10 is good. Reply fast. 10:10 is good. We will study for 20-25 minutes, not more. See you at 10:10. Bye bye. Chalo, welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. After finishing government, cooperative society, single multi, school, hotel, hospital, we are moving ahead in our journey. Club, charitable, NGO we will discuss, and then we'll discuss 2-3 more and then go ahead. Can we go ahead? Yes, sir. Start. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Club. Tell me, club means which club? Which we saw before 10 years. That kind of club, not the current club. Current club, if by mistake also you see, you will be dead. That much automation they do. I went with my friend. Of course, we don't have any club membership. Okay. We don't go only much out. But still, I went with my friend one day. Okay, shocked. You walk, automatic debit charge is there. Okay, first of all, club fees are how much? 10 lakh, 20 lakh, 30 lakh, the registration fees. As soon as you go, there is a member charge also. So we three friends went together. Of course, his charge must be free, god knows, I never asked. But our two fees are properly debited. You have to check in book what is written. Check with entry register. There is no entry register in club these days. Everything high tech automation is there. Restaurant, you in club restaurant is there. Seafood prices are properly charged. Okay, member account is debited. Several things are there, but here what is written and what is the actual club is completely different. Okay, but let us read what is written here. General, they have given only 1 point. See, financial powers of secretary are there. If they have exceeded, report to managing committee. Means secretary is spending more than the limit required. Entrance fee, what they will give here, every time you walk to a club, 10-20 rupees fees are there. Okay, vouch the entrance fees with register maintained, where lot number of people are there. Okay, with register or counterfoil. This is not there in real life. Subscription in club, become emotional in subscription. Vouch the subscription with vouch the subscription with members register. How much ever members are there, subscription amount is received. Vouch total subscription with subscription due and subscription received. So total subscription 42 crore. Due is how much? 2 crore. 40 crore should be received. See, if last year arrears of subscription are there, they are properly carried forward. Third point, if advance subscription is given, see it is properly carried forward. If any subscription we are not going to receive, see it is written off with the sanction of appropriate authority. What more we can write in subscription? Okay, nothing we can write. Trace subscription with register of member. Reconcile total subscription with subscription received and subscription due. Okay, in each we have only this heads to check, right? Yes, only this much heads to check. General, receipt, liability. But they are specific question in one head these days. Okay, arrears from last year of subscription are brought forward. Arrears of last year are properly adjusted. Appropriate steps are taken for recovery of arrears. Amount irrecoverable of subscription is mentioned in audit report. Advance subscription is properly accounted. If I don't tell you also, you can write 5 points. Moving on. Food item in club, see if there is a proper internal check. You are charged for food stuff, drink provided. Okay, proper charges are debited for food stuff, drink and accessories you like billiard, tennis, swimming pool, etc. In fact, club charge even more higher than normal restaurant in many cases. Usually it is less. See, debits in the register of supply, means members register debit should be there. You are keep on eating food but no debit, then problem. See, debit and service a member to see member account is debited. Moving on. Payment. Vouch purchase of sports item, crockery, trace them with inventory. Verify purchase of food item, wine. See, the sale price charged on food item is appropriate. So gross margin is earned. It should not happen. You are acquiring wine in 1,000, selling in 800. No, 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 no. Okay. Unsold goods should be in inventory. Of course, they will be in inventory. Assets, physically verify an investment. Nothing. Come here now. Charitable institute. What? See here. First of all, remember charitable and NGO. 2 points are very unique. They are exempt from tax. So you have to compulsory remember no taxes are paid by these people. So in case any tax is there, see the deduction is claimed or refund is claimed. Charitable purpose are for specific purpose only. See whether all objectives are as per that purpose. In that another charitable big fraud, what happens I will tell you. Okay, many times this charitable institute issue dummy receipt. For example, if really what happens, why this charitable and these are there, really I am telling you, charitable and NGO, why they are there, I am telling you. For example, my income is more, I have to pay more tax. But if you don't know, if I donate to charitable institute, any, there are several for education, Bal Mission Trust, this is for Bal means what, children. Okay, children trust. If I give to them, what will happen? Okay, that is allowed in income tax 100%. So I will give to them 2 lakh rupees, that much less tax I have to pay, some percentage. 2 lakh rupees I give to them, that much less tax I will pay. But in real life, what happens? As soon as I give to them, they charge 20% commission and pay out of 2 lakh rupees. 80 is how much? 1 lakh 60,000 they will repay to me. Then what about children? Nothing children. 20% they will keep in their pocket. This is what really happens in India. So I give 2 lakh rupees. What happens? 20% commission they charge. Why? For giving me dummy fake receipt. Many people charge 5% commission. Many charge 4 every time, and then I get call. Now I don't get because I don't pick up only. That is what happens in India. So they will tell me 4% of commission is there. Full amount we will repay on the spot. Repay cash. You have to give check. So you get tax benefit. 4% they will deduct and they will refund. Entire racket. Government is doing a lot, but nothing they are doing to escape that. Read now. Where is liability not there, not given? Half they don't give only. Many things not given. Start. Study the constitution under which trust is set up. Examine the trust deed. Verify the trust is functioning in a matter as specified. Examine the system of internal check regarding money collected. Is there a proper system? Okay. Verify in detail. Whatever income is collected, is it deposited to bank account or fraud is going on? What I explained. Receipt, subscription and donation. Same copy paste. As certain changes is made in annual life membership fee, whether official receipts are issued. Many times the trust gives fake receipt. There is no trust, but we get receipt and we claim deduction also. Government will catch. Government doesn't catch only. For government, these all peanut amount, nothing. So today, if I tell to government 2 lakh rupees donation I gave, no one checks. For 2 lakh, what they will check? There are crores of people. 2 lakh is peanut for them. Understood? So official receipts are issued. Confirm control over unused receipt. Unused receipt book should be in proper custody. Otherwise, what will happen if I will keep on issuing receipt. Take. See counterfoil of receipt with cash book. Verify total subscription and donation with the figure mentioned in annual report. Is it matching with that? Examine system of internal check. See, charitable institute hold what? Box office, box collection day, flag collection day, dance collection day, celebrity day. Proper money is received of tickets and it is deposited to the charitable trust. Grant. See if the grant is received with the minute book. See the amount spent is for the same purpose for which grant is received. So simple. Interest, dividend, what to explain? Rent, what to explain? Special function, concert, drama, property money is collected. Income tax refund. If anywhere tax is paid, see, we claim proper refund from government as we are exempt from tax. Payment. Vouch the payment of grant are done according to the purpose of charitable institution. And no trustee or managing committee member is benefited from the payments. Verify cash and bank. Asset, nothing is given. Verify security, movable, immovable property by inspecting title deeds, okay, investment register, inventory, etc. Over. As you said, they keep 20% with them. It is not shown in books that 2 lakh received from someone. Then how they find fraud? No, those who show 2 lakh rupees. Those who show 2 lakh, many people don't show only. Many people they show 2 lakh. 20% they will keep and then they will say, we gave food in Kheda district. Now who will go to ask that children, Kheda district, you received food on 28th February? All this work, who will do? Anything I can write? No. Today, I fed 120 beggars. Yeah, very good, sir. Proof, nothing. Many celebrity fake photo they take. They go there and give chocolate 5 rupees. They will all laugh. Oh, wow. Lovely meal like that. Forget, but more we speak, more everyone. More I open my mouth, more chance I will go to jail. NGO is also there. Shall we read this? After that, I am not reading. All are useless only. Local body also you read everything. Two I will teach, which are different ones. Leasing company and hire purchase. NGO. Last three contribution from my side. I want that I should teach leasing. If that comes, you can answer. But NGO is same. Shall I read? Chalo, in 5 minutes finish NGO and then we move on to hire purchase and leasing, and we are done. Rest also you read once. See, outlook you understood. You also must be wondering, I'm not doing only anything. Okay, but it is like that. Tomorrow, I forgot to tell you, is Thursday. Very good, sir. Thank you, you told. Thursday and Friday, we will discuss chapter number 5. It's a high weightage 12 to 15 marks chapter. So entire paper 15 marks is a lot of weightage. Okay, that is why we are giving 2 days. Enough. Slowly we have to go. No hurry we want. Okay, we might teach you 2 hours, but okay, no problem. Okay, start. Come here. NGO, knowledge of NGO vision, mission, knowledge of all statute you should have about NGO, legal form of organization. Okay, NGO chart you see who is responsible for what. Okay, examine the minutes of board meeting, managing committee, governing body, study accounting system, internal control, set materiality level. So about that only you check. Okay, involvement of expert review of previous year's report. Now, grant for project. If a particular grant is received for project, see the letter of the donor and see money is used for same purpose as mentioned in the grant. Sir, can you name few NGO? Being Human, Cry, Child Relief, and you. Okay, many are genuine NGOs also doing too good work. Okay, so that also we cannot escape the responsibility. Fundraising program. In case there is a fundraising program, they call celebrity, Salman Khan, Arbaz Khan. Okay, see, proper controls are there, and whatever money we receive is deposited into bank account. That is important. Only doing program not important. Membership fee. NGO also membership is there. I came to know today. Fees received from membership. Ensure proper classification is made between entrance fee, annual fee, life membership fee. Life membership fee is what, if you don't know? It's credited to capital account. But entrance and annual fee goes to P&L. Reconcile fees received with fees to be received. Okay, so total this much to be received, this much due, this much received. Subscription, check subscription with subscription register. Reconcile subscription with report in the magazine. Okay, interest, dividend, nothing to explain. Come here. Program and project expense. It is clearly mentioned in the project fund should be used for this purpose. See, it is used for this purpose. In case income tax is deducted, okay, then claim refund of the same. Verify agreement with donor supporting particular program. If donor wants to contribute towards education, see, funds are used for education of underprivileged, etc. In case project involve contract, ensure income tax is deducted, deposited. Establishment, PF, ESIC, same points are given. Fixed asset, vouch all the acquisition, sale or disposal of fixed asset. Check donor's agreement for grant. If donor is told we will give you this ICU machine or this radiology machine, are you clear? Then same you have to check. Investment, check investment register. All investments are not in private name, they should be in the name of NGO. Cash in hand, bank balance, what to explain? Nothing. Last 2 points are good. Corpus fund. See, corpus is what? General. You can use for any purpose. So letter, vouch the letter from donor. It is written whether to use for specific project or corpus. Corpus is general. Okay, then treatment should be given accordingly. Reserve. Vouch letter from project with donor letter and board resolution of NGO. That how reserves can be used. Now we are moving to important. Concentrate. Not important. If they want to ask offbeat, they will ask this. Important, so nothing is there. Important, I only don't know what they can ask. Start. Come here. This will not come higher purchase, but I still want to explain you, so I am explaining why it will not come. Super simple. What is higher purchase? I buy a machine on hire, washing machine. When I will be owner? When I pay last EMI. So 30 EMI I will pay. On 30th EMI I become the owner. Are you clear? That all you know. Now I will read. What I have to audit? Hire purchase agreement is in writing and signed by all parties. Second, hire purchase agreement should specify cash price of the goods, higher purchase price of the goods. What is the difference? Cash price means I can pay the machine in 30,000. But if I am doing higher purchase, EMI is there, so they will add interest. It will be 40,000. Okay. Higher agreement should specify higher purchase price of good, cash price of the goods. If goods are acquired for cash, date on which agreement will start, number of installment, amount of installment, date and place of payment. Okay, goods to which the agreement relates, and ensure payment is received regularly. Simple. Even if I don't want to learn, I can learn. Here. 2 minutes over. Hire purchase agreement is in writing and signed by both parties. Hire purchase agreement clearly specifies 5 points. Higher purchase price of goods, cash price of goods if goods are purchased for cash, number of installments, amount of each installment, date and place of payment. Okay. Fourth, date the agreement will start, and fifth, goods to which the agreement relates. We have to see payment that regularly EMI is received. Over. Whenever goods are given on hire purchase, we have to see hire purchase agreement is there and in writing 5 points. Last time I will speak because it will not come. Cash price of the goods, hire purchase price of the goods if goods are taken on hire purchase. Third, agreement on which date on which agreement will start. In an agreement, what is there? Okay, dates of payment, number of installment, amount of each installment, and last point is what? Okay, last point is goods to which the agreement relates, is washing machine, fridge, etc. Now understand lease. Definitely this can come if the paper is off beat. Of course we'll learn here itself. Okay, leasing company. Now understand there are two leases in India, operating and finance. If you know the difference, what is operating? It is same like rent. Okay, I am paying rent. For example, I want to purchase machine, car on lease. Okay, car is not given on lease, but let's assume car on lease. So I will just pay rent. Tell me who is the owner? Lessor. Who is the person who takes on lease? Lessee. Operating lease. Operating lease is same like rent. Now what is finance lease in real life? Because this entire is finance lease only. Finance lease is what? It is nothing but giving financing. Example, I go to Vijay Sales, I go to Chroma everyone knows. I want to buy a phone, I want to buy washing machine, I want to buy TV is a better example. I want to buy TV. Now I don't have money. So there is an agency, Bajaj Finance. Are you clear what Bajaj Finance will tell? Don't worry, sir. Pay 1 rupee, take TV. Or only one. Yes, sir, 1 rupee. Every month EMI pay. EMI. Oh, so basically Bajaj Finance is doing what? Tell me. It is just doing financing of TV. Okay, so that is what is the object of leasing company. Leasing company does what? In a finance lease, they will finance the asset. I don't have money, they will finance my TV. Tell me when I will become owner of TV? When I pay last EMI. Oh, so what's the difference between hire purchase and leasing? Leasing is basically what? Finance. They are doing financing. Hire purchase is on last EMI. I will become here also on last EMI. But there is an option whether I can become owner or not. Of course, 100% I will become if I pay all EMI. I hope you understood, but that much knowledge is not required. Now, with this, let us start. You will understand better. Screen not visible. Yes, we have done. Please work. Please. Or net. Why net is God knows what happened. 1 second. One, two, three, start. Done. I don't know. Someone switched off, it seems. Oh, Bhagwan, fast. No heavy rain here. Full heat. Work. You are getting the voice. Oh, but screen, without screen, how to study? Yes, Porbandar is heavy, very heavy. Chalo, done. Where is connect? One, two, three, please work. Please, please, please. Chalo, done. Finally. Start. Moving on. I hope you understood what is lease. One, two, three, start. You have 360 years, 360-degree laptop is there. That we can move also. Concentrate now, concentrate. What is leasing? I hope you understood. So Bajaj Finance is basically doing what? Financing of my TV. Okay. So in that, what I will audit. Okay. What I will audit. No, two more points I want to explain. Okay. Whenever we want any asset on lease, no. First we have to send what? Lease proposal form. That lessor, I want the asset on lease. Lessee will tell to lessor, I want the asset on lease. After you got the asset, you have to again tell to lessor that the asset is acceptable. We will send the acceptance form that the asset is acceptable, and now we can start the lease. Remember these two things. Okay, start now. We just have to learn, very simple. Start. See, object clause of leasing company determine goods like capital goods, consumable, durable, in respect of which company can do such leasing. First point. See the object clause. You know what is clause? It is mentioned in the memorandum and article of association, all that. So object clause means what business it can do. See object clause of leasing company to see whether it can do leasing of capital goods, consumable, durables or not. First point. Second, see whether it can undertake financing activity. In many object clause it is written finance work not allowed. See whether it can do financing, because this is basically finance. Lease is financing only. No, you are just financing the asset and earning interest. See whether you can do financing activity or not. Okay, till now 2 points are done. Let us learn these 2 points. Audit of leasing company comes, copy paste you write, copy paste, full marks you will get 5 on 5. Okay, see object clause of leasing company to see whether company can do leasing of capital goods, consumable, durable. See object clause of the, see whether company can undertake such financing activity or not. Whether there exists a procedure to do credit analysis of lessee, like past track record, capital strength, collateral security. Whether there is a procedure where Bajaj Finance will check your documents. Usually they ask for PAN card number. Based on that, what happens? Your rating directly comes, credit rating. Okay. So if you have done any default, then you will not get loan. See, there exists a procedure to do credit analysis of lessee, whether his ability to meet the EMI, past track record, capital strength, collateral security. Simple. Next. Till now, how many points are done? 3. Let us remember this 3 points. See object clause of leasing company to see whether capital goods, consumable durables, whether they can do leasing. See whether company is allowed to do financing of such activities or not, financing of the asset or not. Third, see whether there exists a procedure to do credit analysis of lessee, like his ability to pay lease rental, credit record, past strength record, collateral security, etc. Now comes next point. Lease agreement will be seen, and see following points in the agreement. See, there is a proper lease agreement, then following points should be there. What will be there in agreement? Description of lessor, lessee, and location where equipment is to be kept. Description of lessor, lessee, and location where equipment is to be kept. Amount of tenure of the lease and date of payment, late charges, deposit or advance. Amount of tenure of the lease, date of payment, late charges, etc. Whether equipment shall be returned to lessor on termination of agreement and cost will be borne by lessee. Equipment will be returned or not. Whether agreement prohibits lessee from subletting the lease. Are you clear? Can you sublet the equipment? You have taken TV. Can you give to someone else? Yes or no? Will be written in agreement. Over. Now all points are super simple. This is agreement point. Examine lease proposal form is submitted by lessee to lessor requesting him to give equipment on lease. Examine lease proposal form is submitted by lessee requesting lessor to give equipment on lease. Lease proposal form. After that, you get the asset, so acceptance form. Examine acceptance letter from lessee is sent indicating equipment is acceptable to the lessee. So these two form we have to understand. Take small break 1 second. Whenever we want any asset, first we have to send lease proposal form. Examine lease proposal form is sent by lessee to the lessor requesting that we want this equipment on lease. After you get the equipment, examine whether asset acceptance letter, examine acceptance letter from lessee is received. Okay, that equipment is acceptable for the lease. Equipment is proper equipment, proper TV I received. Last 2 points. See board resolution authorizing particular director to execute lease agreement. There is a resolution. Only Mr. Shinde can sign on lease agreement. See, Shinde's sign is there. See board resolution authorizing particular director to execute lease agreement. Last two, insurance invoice. Insurance invoice. Ensure invoice is retained properly because lease is a long-term contract. Last, she copies of insurance policy have been obtained by lessor for his record. Insurance copy also you have kept. Tomorrow, if lessee will damage asset, you can claim the money. Super, super. Chalo, let us learn all points. You will feel it is hard, but it is absolutely not. We will speak all point except agreement. Agreement we will learn later. Here. See object clause of leasing company to see whether company can do leasing of capital goods, consumable, durable. See whether company can do such financing arrangement or not. Third point, whether there exists a procedure to do credit analysis of lessee, like checking his commitment to pay the funds, okay, a credit analysis, his collateral security, etc. Fourth point, see whether proper lease agreement is there and it is in the writing. What is inside lease agreement? Forget. Okay. See whether it is written that particular director can only execute lease agreement, whether his signature is there or not, that also we have to see. Now 2 points are very favorite. Examine lease proposal form is sent by lessee, okay, that he wants particular asset on the lease. Examine whether asset acceptance form is sent by lessee that the asset is acceptable, okay. Last two, insurance invoice. Ensure invoice is retained as lease is a long-term contract. Ensure insurance copy is there with the lessor in case of any problem. Now, inside agreement, what is there? 4 points. Lease agreement will have description of lessor, lessee, and location where equipment is to be kept. Amount of tenure of the lease, okay. Date of payment, amount of payment, late charges. Third, whether equipment has to be returned to lessee after the agreement is over, whether equipment has to be returned to lessor on termination of agreement, and charges will be paid by lessee, whether agreement prohibits us from subletting the lease. Over. Last time we will try to learn, if this same question comes, all effort worth, otherwise zero, because understanding nothing is given here. Start. Leasing company. To audit leasing company, please write 5 points. We are learning all 8, 9 points. See object clause of the leasing company to determine whether company can undertake leasing of capital goods, consumable, durable goods or not. Second, see whether company can undertake such financing activity or not. Third point, whether there exists a procedure to do credit analysis of lessee, like his ability to pay lease rental, past credit record, collateral security, etc. See whether lease agreement is in writing and signed by both parties. Try to write 2, 3 points of lease. What will agreement describe? Description of lessor, lessee, and location where equipment is to be kept. Amount of lease rental, date of payment, late charges, total duration of the lease. Whether equipment has to be returned to lessor, equipment has to be returned to lessor and charges will be paid by lessor. Whether the agreement prohibits us from subletting the equipment. Are you clear? I hope you understood. Now, two points here. Examine lease proposal form is submitted by lessee requesting lessor to give equipment on lease. Examine asset acceptance form. Asset acceptance is given by the lessee to the lessor that the asset is acceptable to the lessee. Okay, last, examine whether there is a requirement that a particular director can execute lease agreement. His sign is there. Insurance invoice, insurance invoice, insurance invoice, over. Ensure invoice is retained and it's a long-term contract. See copy of insurance policy have been obtained. Good. With this entire chapter in the bestest way we have tried, okay, to finish. Balance you can read, and see you tomorrow with a last chapter. Bye bye. Good night.